Ready to turn practice into progress? Let's play this song together. If you haven't learned this yet, check out the step-by-step tutorial video link right here. And now, let's get playing! So let's try from the start. We're going to go slightly slower first. We're going to go 2 times slower. And after that, we're going to play the actual speed. Okay, so let's try from finger 4 on Do, B flat. 1, 2, 1, 2, slowly go. Do, O. Then we go to F. 누구십니까? 1, 4, 4, 3, 4. 고마입니다. F, B flat, B flat, A flat, B. 들어오세요. 고마야, 고마야, 고마야. 뒤로 돌아라 again. 고마야, 고마야. 땅을 지펴라 again. 고마야, 고마야. 하늘 and 되려라 last line. 고마야, 고마야. 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. And done. Okay, so the song repeats from the 3rd line. 고마야, 고마야. 뒤로 돌아라. Repeat the 4th line. 고마야, 고마야, 고마야. 땅을 지펴라. And then for the last line, komaya, komaya, and then the singer stops there. Okay, so it's a abrupt stop, but yeah, it adds to the suspense of the song. Okay, so let's try. Actual speed, ready? 1, 2, finger 4 on B flat, ready, go. 4, 3, 4. 1, 4, 4, 3, 4. 1, 4, 4, 3, 4. 1, 4, 4, 3, 4. Komaya. 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3 again. Komaya, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3. New one. 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Third line. Komaya, komaya, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3. Ending soon. 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3. And then we end over there. Okay? Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.